today I went to the World of Food Trucks with a few friends, and it was just so nice to be out with my girls. I ordered some Puerto Rican food. It's not like New York. New York definitely does it better, but I enjoyed my little meal.
Yes, girl.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Dipping it. Wait, get her dipping it in the consume.
Okay. You ready?
It's fresh, but you should try it when it was fresh. Because
No,
it would have
it's
been way better.
No, it's really good.
You like it?
That's really
You're not just
good.
lying to me.
No, it's really good.
It's sweet. Now with the chocolate, right? It's good. It's hitting.
But I have the meat in the back too, because I have like the cheese in the front. That's good. Yeah.
There was an underwhelming.
It's not busting. No.
It's not your cup of tea.
It's good though.
It's interesting.
I asked for chicken too, but
Okay.
we got a few places off our list.
Yeah.
After trying my friend's food, it was time for me to eat my shrimp and tostones. And then I wanted to get like a little drinky. So I got this fruit tea drink with some boba at the bottom.
Do you know who you remind me of?
Ooh.
Miss Honey.
Well, what makes you say that?
It's just everything about you. It's just Miss Honey. Just everything. Your persona, everything.
I always try to spend at least once a day in my word. It's just so important to just be in scripture, especially after living this crazy life. I need to speak with my Father and I need to hear what he has to say for the day. So I always make sure I carve out some time just to study and just to read the word and just be in his presence. So definitely glad I got that done. After that, I did have laundry as it was laundry day. Now, laundry day isn't my favorite day, but it is something I cannot avoid. I need to make sure I have fresh clothes for the week. And yeah, I just try to make it fun, I try to just focus on being mindful, focus on the things that I'm folding. Sometimes my brain could just wander so much. So it's always nice to do something like this just to bring me back to reality and just focus my mind. I always have a million thoughts in my head. So that's the only thing I like about doing things like this, is that I get to really focus and I get to really get organized. And I love being prepared for the week ahead. So although I don't like necessarily doing laundry, I love the results of having my laundry done. So this was definitely needed for my day. So I had some towels here. I'm just putting them in the linen closet. And then I just had a bunch of other random washcloths and shirts, and things that I had to put away. And yeah, like I had some pants that I had to fold and hang. And I just wanted to go in my closet. The prayer closet is also in the same closet as my clothes, but I make it work. So I'm just like folding things, putting them away, taking things off of hangers, trying to create some organizational system. Galentines. This is my first time getting ready for a Galentine's Day. I never did this before with any friend groups. This is actually my first friend group, and we're wearing pink pajamas or red. So I love these. I got these from Ross.
Hi. Wait, I'm so happy you came.
Hi. You guys are content. I know, right? I have to go do my makeup. You too.
My friend Cassie hosted this beautiful Galentine's Day event for us. There were strawberries, pasta, pizza, candy, you name it. And the decorations were so cute. We had such a good time. She did this bow wall that we saw on TikTok. You just use tablecloth. So I love the setup. It was the cutest.
Videos and pictures. Yeah. And I was looking the other day. I was like, I want to see myself like before I went already with me. Like, oh my God. Look at me.
say, please don't fight me, okay?
Oh my gosh.
This is to say.
Okay, so we're out in Winter Park. We're about to go eat at this place called Another Broken Egg.
Yes, for the first time.
Yes, for the first time.
It's getting bright.
The sun is so bright, guys.
Yes.
The lighting is giving, but it's a little too much. But look at her outfit. We're gonna do a little outfit of the day.
Super cute. I love it. Oh.
My nails are not that cute, so don't do it close. Yeah, we're sharing, After I hung out with my friend Donay, I decided it was time to do a little shopping. So I headed to Pottery Barn to see some good tablescapes. I'm having an event in March and I'm hosting, and I wanted to just see some decor. I usually go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods, but I know that Pottery Barn would have exactly what I needed. After that, I headed to the farmer's market. I didn't have much time to really take time and buy things and look around, so it was pretty rushed, but I did get a chance to see some of the cool vendors and markets that were out there. I did get to see some vegetables and some local honey. It was really cool. After that, I walked into this photo booth thing. I didn't actually get to go inside, but it looked like it would have been so cool inside. When I got home, I was just all burnt out. It was time for me to just rest from the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you again next week.